Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting proof. Open Snapchat and locate the chat with the lost streak. Once found, take clear screenshots of the chat, snap send timestamps, and the streak icon or its disappearance. Make a short timeline with your username, your friend's username, and the exact dates when snaps were exchanged. After that, navigate to Settings. I need help, my snap streaks disappeared, so you can begin the official support report with everything ready to attach. Now fill out the Snapchat support form carefully. Choose the option for lost snap streaks, then enter both usernames exactly as they appear and type a concise timeline that lists dates and times of last snaps. Explain what happened in plain language, include app version and device. Attach all screenshots you took and any chat logs. Double-check for typos, then submit. Once sent, you'll receive an automated email. Make sure to keep that for reference and check your spam folder. After submission, monitor your email for a response. Support often asks for clarifications, so reply promptly with any missing evidence. If Snapchat denies the request, don't panic. Gather clearer screenshots, ask your friend to confirm their send history, and resubmit. Make sure the app is updated and try clearing cache or reinstalling if the streak icon still behaves oddly. One key troubleshooting tip: include exact timestamps in screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.